Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed, and in this video I'm gonna create a resume, and this video is gonna be helpful for people who wants to know more about, basics about HTML. And I have set up everything in here. At the beginning, as you can see, first two lines are what every code should begin with. And I have set up a title, and in the body we're gonna have header 1, and there are many headers. There are header from 1 and goes all the way to 6, header 6, and it's from bigger to smaller, how big is you want your font size. So we had at the beginning of our resume, we have Mohammed Mishari, my name and my title. And then we're gonna put an LI, which is a bullet points, and I recommend putting my email and a phone number. You guys can choose and put an address, but I'm not gonna do that. And again, I have 3 main parts in my resume, which is education and experience and skills. And now we're just gonna fill them out. I set up this to header 4 because I need to have some balance, so header 4 will look perfect. So in education we put the university and where is it. We put a title, what did you graduate or expecting graduation time, and a GPA. I'm just gonna edit this paragraph. And on experience, I'm gonna put a company name, and a title. Yeah, you can put when did you start working for them till like the current date or current year. And in here we're gonna create a lot of bullet points. You can describe your responsibilities in here. What did you do? We're just gonna copy and paste. You can have as many as you want. And in skills, we're just gonna list all the skills that we have. And same, we're just gonna copy and paste. Alright, and we're just gonna save it, and we're gonna see how does it look like. So this is how our resume is gonna look like, the format. And in other videos, in another video, I can show you how to style it and make it more nice, and it will definitely look more professional. And thank you for watching my video.